Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a flashlight shortcut directly to your iPhone's home screen on iOS 18. This is a super convenient way to turn on your flashlight instantly without swiping through menus or opening the control center. Let's get started. First, swipe down on your home screen to open the app library, then search for the Shortcuts app and open it. Once inside, tap on All Shortcuts here. Just tap on it and then tap the plus symbol to create a new shortcut. You can find it at the top right corner of the screen. Next is to search actions or to tap the actions at the bottom of the screen and tap in flashlight. From the search results, select the option labeled set flashlight with a blue background icon on. This action lets you control the flashlight's settings. Now you can customize the icon. Tap the default flashlight icon to pick a style or the color you like. Just choose icon option and then click on a color and an icon. I just choose whatever like that and then tap on done. Once you're happy with the setup, tap the share button at the bottom and choose add to home screen. Just have to select this add. As you can see, it has already been added to our home screen. And then that's it. You now have a quick access flashlight icon on your home screen. If this video was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more iOS tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.